Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change booth in Please Donate on Roblox using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that you launch your Roblox, okay? And then open the Please Donate game. Then after that, just go ahead and choose any booth that you want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in a empty booth. Okay, so this one. So to claim this stand, just go ahead and press E. So now you have no items on sale. So just go ahead and click OK, got it. Okay. So now to change your booth, what you need to do is to again press E. Okay, so now click on the settings icon at the upper part of the rectangle shape. So now you can just see the booth model. Okay, so when you scroll your arrow, you can see the other options. Okay, so you can choose this. So now when you X this, click on apply, as you can see that your stat is now changed, right? So the next thing that you can also do is to go to the shop right here, and you can also buy any booth or stand right here. And you can see the how much is it at the upper part of the stand. So that this is $150, 500, 150, this is a 2000, and over there is 125, 150, 250, and 150. Okay, so to buy any booth, just go ahead and press E on the booth that you want, and you should get it or purchase it. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.